fish. All right, that's what I'm talking about.
Chasing what tell me, hunting and fishing every day, every year.
That was a bite, was it not?
Oh yeah. Want to make sure they bite today. I'm gonna fish a little bit slower because that's how they bite, pretty gingerly. All that coffee and pop wasn't a good idea either. I'm super jittery and jumpy. That's dumb. On the Jackal Kiera.
And that's the way to kick it off. Very nice work.
Thank you.
Very good. Cool deal. Let's throw them back.
There's a nice clear spot.
And away he goes. That's what I'm talking about.
Hey guys, welcome back to Silver Ridge Outdoors. We are bass fishing this afternoon. I guess it's still this morning technically. It's about middle of the day. Fairly warm, about 80, 82 degrees. We are at a Backwoods pond. Just caught a bass actually. Topwater fishing today. I'm actually fishing a frog. This is a Jackal Kiera. I did put a trailer hook on it back here. I just noticed I get more hooks when more hook sets when they're biting kind of finicky. So that little trailer hook back there helps me a lot. But it's a nice frog. It's a good size for what I'm fishing, and yeah, it's just fun to be out here doing it.
Absolutely. Let's slay some bass. Let's get this to be a slaunch fest.
Let's do it. We like slaunch fests.
That's right.
Fish. Oh, guy. All right, that's what I'm talking about.
They are nailing it, man, right on that trailer hook.
Yep.
That is why you use that trailer hook.
That's a smaller bass, you know, and just got those legs of the fish, so to speak. That trailer hook made all the difference.
Yeah.
Between
well, he's been caught before.
Yeah, looks like. We'll get him back in water then. Better luck next time.
Yeah. Very nice.
Love it when the plan comes together.
That's right.
I was literally about to just start reeling it in because I thought
Look at this. On both hooks, trailer hook and the main set of hooks. So the trailer hook was been added, and that was like this extra bit of security, but nice little bass.
Pretty.
Yeah. Very nice. That was fun.
So real quick tips on frog fishing. Now we're up here in the kind of the Midwest, so we're not dealing with giant bass. Okay, so first off, I'm fishing a little bit smaller of a frog. This is a Jackal Kiera. I find it, sorry, I'm shaking, I had too much coffee today. There we go. Anyway, and I just caught bass, so you know, I'm all jacked up, of course, but it's a smaller frog. It's a Jackal Kiera, like I said, and it's got a good profile, but small. You can still cast. It's about ½ ounce. You can still work it well, get kind of a walk the dog action. I'm just slowly retrieving, just real slow across the surface so I don't miss bites today. But one thing I want to draw attention to is this trailer hook. I fish my frogs with trailer hooks, so this didn't come with it. I added it, but I don't know if it's just the pressured areas we fish, or them being smaller bass, or they're finicky. I don't really know. Maybe it's just I'm not as good of a fisherman for frogs as I should be. But it helps me. It's more dummy proof. So as this is on the top of the water, this hook being back in here, if they just get the legs, just they grab the skirt or something, they're gonna get this hook more than likely. What I found in the past, if I don't have that trailer hook, sometimes I'll hook them, you know, sometimes I won't. They'll just hit these legs or this and won't quite get far enough up to actually get those hooks in them. So where I'm fishing, it's not heavy lily pads. I've even fished this in heavy lily pads, but it's basically just skirting along the top of the surface. And as long as it stays pretty weedless, I find that the weedlessness that I lose adding this, I gain because my hookup ratio, I guess you would call it, goes up a lot. So yeah, I spend more time maybe getting junk out of the hooks, but normally when that bass hits, I'm gonna hook him and I'm gonna land him, and I might be whatever 40-50% without it and maybe 75-80% with it. So it's a trade-off. I know everything in fishing is about the trade-offs, but for what I do, that's my go-to. Throw a trailer hook on there and land them.